G'day, I'm Richard from Weston. I'm the Australian distributor of Rollercam. And as a seller of tie-down straps, it often catches my eye when I see surfboards and stand-up boards incorrectly tied down to their roof racks. I'm going to show you how to do it properly, and it's super easy with Rollercam. So starting with the buckle in the middle of the board, throw the strap away from you. And we go underneath. Avoid any kinks. Underneath. And what this is actually doing is creating friction. So by having it close to the board here on this edge, when you're pulling it down, you're forcing the board against the roof rack, which is creating friction, so you're not going to move, so it's not going to move around. All right, we're going to do that again for the front of the kayak. Now these are a 6-foot strap. They're 1.8 meters, which is fine for just a single surfboard or a small surf ski or a small plank of wood. And again, once you go underneath, bring it towards you, go under and back. No swearing, super easy, super tight. There we go. Just look at that brass roller.